Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated during the company's annual shareholder meeting in August that the economy had passed its peak inflationary phase and that the next 6 months will see a decrease in the price of the majority of the commodities and parts used in the production of Tesla vehicles. Musk said that he believed there would be a sharp decline in inflation and a subsequent 18-month moderate recession. Welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock, everyone. The majority of investors are still worried about what their investment will return for them in the short, medium, and long terms, even though most people may not want to worry too much about what the stock price will be in the coming years for fear of overestimating things or expecting too much from the stocks. This is understandable given that the primary goal of investing is to turn a profit, and being aware of your chances of success can aid in making important decisions regarding your shares. How much will Tesla's stock be worth in the coming year, given all of the favorable variables that could raise the stock price? To find out, keep watching. But before we begin, please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notification if you enjoy this kind of content in order to be updated on all that Tesla is up to. Even though many people may be too optimistic about Tesla due to the variety of intriguing items that the firm is bringing out or has already started implementing, it is simple for the average investor to have higher expectations than necessary for the automaker. Similarly, while it's normal to have high hopes for Tesla's stock price, it's also critical to remember that the automaker is vulnerable to a variety of market dynamics that could result in a sharp decline in the stock price if appropriate action is not done. Unexpected market shifts like inflation have caused substantial declines in the stock prices of companies like Rivian and QuantumScape. Even if the majority of their investors didn't anticipate this coming, it did happen. Given that these factors still affect Tesla, will the company's stock fall precipitously in the next years, as some other firms did, or will it rise sharply as in the past? You get all the information, make sure you watch this video through to the very end. In June, the annual rate of inflation peaked at 9.1%, and in July, it dropped slightly to 8.5%. It will take some more time to confirm Musk's recent claim that the inflation trend is declining. Furthermore, Elon Musk does not appear to be exclusively concerned with inflation, as it is not the only issue plaguing the EV market. It's actually kind of the opposite. Musk recently expressed his worries about the impending impact of deflation in a tweet. This occurs at the same time that the Federal Reserve is raising interest rates rapidly in an effort to slow down the economy and rein in inflation, which reached a 40-year high in June. The Federal Reserve's rate increased twice, from near zero in March to 2.5% currently. A third hike could be announced at a meeting later in September. Musk expressed alarm, saying that a further increase in borrowing rates may cause prices to plummet. He went on to explain that this might make people wait to buy cars from Tesla in the hopes that prices would drop and they would be able to acquire automobiles for less money, which would reduce demand overall. Deflation is a significant issue that electric vehicle firms need to be monitoring in addition to inflation. CEO of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, predicts that automakers will probably have difficulties after the deflation-induced creative destruction. Earlier this year, an investor in Tesla stock stated that automakers with goods that could become outdated and auto firms managing their shares in the short term with less innovation investment might struggle to stay up with the anticipated deflation. Based on Cathie Wood's example, though, Tesla might not have much of an issue here if innovation is a key tool against deflation. Additionally, the automaker may be able to lessen the severity of deflation if it manages to maintain a firmer grip on its 4680 batteries. Through its acquisition of Maxwell in 2019, Tesla obtained the dry coating technology for its 4680 cells. Tesla's battery costs might be greatly reduced by using the dry coating method, which removes a big portion of the production process. A study claims that Tesla might save as much as $5,500 on each Model Y battery pack. Senior VP of Powertrain and Energy Engineering Andrew Baglino announced during Tesla's Q2 2022 earnings call that the company plans to begin producing the new 4680 cylindrical battery cells at its Gigafactory in Texas in Dry coating is the most difficult step in the 4680 cost-cutting process, despite the fact that it is supposed to play a significant role in the production of these cells. Experts claim that Tesla is having trouble increasing the manufacturing of 4680 battery cells, with a major bottleneck being the dry coating technology. What are your thoughts on this? Do you believe Tesla will be able to manufacture the 4680 battery cells as promised? Tell us in the comments below. There's a greater need to safeguard these cells now that Tesla's Cybertruck is in the picture. The Cybertruck is designed to operate on 4680 cells, and according to some analysts, manufacturing of this pickup truck might begin in 2023. Even though Ford and Rivian have dominated the electric car industry, particularly the pickup segment, since the Cybertruck's launch nearly 3 years ago, Tesla appears to still be committed to the project. A very damaged-looking Tesla Cybertruck was seen being towed on a public roadway sometime in August. The informant claimed that the car looked to be in quite bad state. Musk has repeatedly stated that the pickup truck will be able to withstand almost anything. So while this does not explain much about why the Cybertruck has not yet been released, it does demonstrate that Tesla is still working on the project and may have only put the spotted vehicle through physical testing. In the upcoming year, Tesla's stock price might rise significantly due to the development of the Cybertruck. According to NASDAQ, Tesla's stock is expected to hit $500 by 2023 following the debut of the Cybertruck and semi-truck with a 500-mile range. Another factor that helped the stock attain its valuation was the shortened delivery schedule for Tesla's Model Y. The automaker recently declared that it had shortened the 8-week delivery wait period for the Model Y in China to 4 weeks. Tesla has once again reduced the time it takes for its Model Y and Model 3 electric cars to arrive in China, further suggesting that these two models are much more readily available. Made in its factory in China, Tesla sold 76,965 cars in August. Sales from the previous month have almost tripled. The fact that deliveries at the Shanghai plant have increased may indicate that China's demand for the Model Y is high and that Tesla's supply chain problems are beginning to improve. Tesla's share price had dropped 37% in July. The company's stock fell even more after Musk sealed the deal to buy Twitter. But in recent months, the stock has been making a comeback, with a strong surge that sent the price of the shares surging 3.62% and above $300. The capabilities of a trillion-dollar company will likely be demonstrated by Tesla over the next 12 to 18 months, according to Morgan Stanley Managing Director of Research Adam Jonas. He highlighted step changes in manufacturing, cost reduction, expansion and capacity, model lineup, and service offerings. Definitely what is anticipated from the automaker is this. This is only one of the many good reasons to invest in the controversial yet very conviction EV firm Tesla, as it is a highly valued automobile manufacturer. Additionally, the 3-for-1 stock split has reduced the price of Tesla stock for regular investors. These figures provide some insight into what Tesla investors might anticipate from their shares, despite the fact that they are merely projections and estimates. Furthermore, they serve to provide genuine numbers for prospective investors who are still undecided about investing in Tesla stock. How do you feel about Tesla's valuation? Do you believe that in 2023 the stock price will be able to achieve the NASDAQ forecasted value? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to estimate Tesla's value for the upcoming year. Click on this screen video to find out more about what Tesla has been up to these last several days. I'll see you over there.